Jokic, 6'11" point guard. Zydrunas Ilgauskas, 7'3" shooting guard. Victor Wembanyama, 7'5" small forward. Taco Fall, the 7'6" power forward. And George Mirashan, the 7'7" center. This is the most toxic team I could build in NBA 2K. Now, in real life, how good would this team be?
Honestly, I didn't really know what I was doing on the court tonight.
Jokic could probably carry a little bit. Ilgauskas was kind of a dog. Wembanyama, I don't really know. Taco Fall has done nothing in the league. I'm sorry. And George is pretty solid. I don't really know how this team would fare, but that's not the question. Now, keep something in mind. I didn't build this team because I need it. I built this team because I hate everything and everyone. And if I'm going to be in so much pain, I want everyone in the world to feel that pain with me. That's the only justifiable explanation for when you see teams like this in my team. All right, gentlemen, let's go ruin some people's days. God, I honestly kind of feel bad making this video. I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, wait a minute. His team is just as bad as mine. It's not as bad, but it's pretty close. This low-key is a fair matchup. The only big advantage I have is Jokic on Jimmy Butler. And damn, I just got my shits. Dude, he's got Bol. He's got a Georgie of his own. Oh, good move. We really got a game here. Come on, Jimmy. No way. Guys, let me be honest. I just start every game really poorly, but I promise I'll win this. You just got to give me a little time here. Dude, this guy's a dog. It ain't over till it's over, baby. Let's get the screen from Taco. Get it into Taco. All right, started down 6. I just got to come out here and ball out. Jonathan Isaac, hand up. Won't go. Beautiful. Can Jimmy defend Jokic?
No.
He cannot. Ooh, there's a mismatch somewhere. Wembanyama for 3! Oh, really? Felt like such a good shot. Oh, good defense. Shit, he got the tip, but he missed the tip. Transition, take foul. The comeback. Oh, I hate that. Oh, wait, it's end game release. Never mind. I don't like Jokic's normal free throw. Here we go. 5-6. We're clawing back. 5-0 run. Good move. Good move. Dish. Good. Get him jumping. Big Georgie puts it in. Guys, the actual pronunciation is George Mirashan, right? I just call him Big Georgie because he's a big boy. Jimmy Butler. What's he looking for? Stay off! Let's go! Look at this. A 7-0 run. I'm going to hit him with the spin. Oh, Taco! Look at that, bro. He starts out 6-0. Now it's 6-9. And now hopefully nobody will score another point the whole game. Sean Bradley. Oh, why did I jump? I was in great position to just hold my hand straight up. Endgame Jokic will put him in the post and put it up. Diabolical. He's trying to take advantage of Ilgauskas. But I'm covering the three-pointer really well right now. Yeah, that's not going to go. Oh, my God. What? He didn't even green that. He just made a non-green 3. I respect it. But we'll return with a Jokic bucket. 7 points for Jokic. Oh, good moves, Jokic. Way up.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Bro, Jimmy just set my shit packing. All right, easy inbound to Jokic. Screen from Taco into Taco. Beautiful. Beautiful work. 15-13. This is a close game. He's going to go for that step back. Yup. Hey, I'm there again. That time, it actually won't fall. Nice work. Let's go over to Taco. That's a bucket. I don't know what just happened, but we'll go to the line. It's the endgame free throw, which is really butter. So I'm cool with that. Good. 4-point lead here is pretty massive for that. I think he's going to try and do that exact thing right now. Get out there. Good defense. No way. Yes, sir. Damn. Offensive board. He'll take a 2 with Big Joe. Dude, he didn't green that either. Although that might not have even been a meter. That might have just been a wide open. All the way, Jokic. No! Got my shit packed by Sean Bradley. I gotta incorporate the pump fake into my game right now. Jonathan Isaac getting shifty. Great defense. He turns it over. Wemby. He's got a whole goose egg. Let him jump. Yay! 19-15. Let's hold on to this lead. Okay, that's fine. Hey! Ilgauskas, you dog. Oh, good defense. Into Georgie. Put it up. Let's go. I got a little lucky on that possession. I'm not going to lie. 21-15. We started out very cold. We're coming back now. Oh, get out there. Get out there. It's a 3, not a 4. That's okay. It's a 0 because he missed. Ilgauskas. Ilgauskas. He didn't expect the mini. He thought I was going to the paint. 23-15, we secure the first dub of the day. We started that game down 6-0. I know you were watching that when it was 6-0, and you're like, bro, MMG's actually going to choke with this fucking absurd team. 3 for 3 with Taco, 3 for 7 with Jokic, perfect with George, perfect with Ilgauskas, and 1 for 2 with Wembanyama. That's an excellent shooting percent. Shot 67%, bricked my only 3. Beautiful. And football season is starting. I can't wait to go watch the Spartans, which is, of course, why today's video is sponsored by SeatGeek, the #1 rated ticketing app. SeatGeek has your tickets to every game, and Drake and 21 Savage are on tour. What SeatGeek does is they take tickets from all around the web and put it in one place, so you can make sure you're getting the best deal. Each ticket is rated on a scale from 1 to 10. Green is good and red is bad. You can use my code MMG for $20 off tickets at SeatGeek. Again, that's $20 off your first purchase when you use the code MMG. Make sure you click the link in the top of the description to download the app. Enjoy the rest of the video. Kyle Kuzma, Steph Curry. You're not tall enough. I'm sorry, man. Although he's got Ilgauskas of his own, and Moses Malone can play the 3. I think his point guard and shooting guard are going to get him in trouble here. That's all. All right, well, Taco Fall's just going to bully his way in for the first 2. 0 skill required, you know. I don't have to worry about the shot meter. I don't got to worry about creating space or... Well, shit, maybe I do. I'm not going to take the 3 because Stephen Curry is simply too little. That's actually fucking diabolical, man. That's so messed up. I can't let him shoot another 3 up here. Somebody get out there! All right, good work. Oh, up to Ilgi. Ilgauskas! You missed that dunk. Oh my God, fraud alert. That's good defense though. He definitely can't hit that. Dude, we are seriously frauds. Starting out slow once again, but I think that'll change. Wemby, pump. That's a bucket. Let's go Wembanyama. Let's shoot one right over Curry. He's too short. He's too little. Dude, I swear he can literally press Y and jump and still not contest that shot. 8-8. Oh, he got me. Passes out a shot though. We're in his head. Down to Big Georgie. Big Georgie, did you just put jelly on that? Mark Eaton really would like a 3. Hop, step, pump fake, bucket. Oh my God, that was gorgeous. Get out there. Get out there. No, he's going to get a shot with 0 seconds. There's no way that meter was green because he just flicked that ball, but he still made it. Oh no. And a turnover. I gotta stop turning this ball over. Okay, we know what he's trying to do. Good defense. Puts up a nice mid-range. Green's that, 12-15. Where's our mismatch? Where's our bucket? Oh my God, I was waiting for Mark Eaton to come down so I could just flush that. I gotta step it up here, boys. Definitely can't let him score here. He's gonna space, try and shoot a 3. Kyle Kuzma. That was great defense. That was really good defense. All right, great work. Now we be patient. Let's get a great shot here. Oh, Taco. Great shot. Hey! There we go. You know what he's going to try and do? We know what he's going to try and do. That's great defense, Taco! He gets nothing. Not this time. Not another shot clock 3. Great defense. Ilgauskas is out here. I'm not. Nope. Yep, and I'm just going to shoot it with Taco! Yes, I'm there. I'm all over you. Get out there. Come on. Look at the defense. We stepped it up in the last 50 seconds. I really could milk this clock. Does he foul? Oh, I just whipped that to Taco. I was going to shoot a 4-pointer with Taco. This is the smart decision, though, because I can only get 2 points here, and he could get 4 off of a deep shot. So I imagine that's what he's going to try and do. I'm just going to go on Taco and camp the 4-point line. I don't care if he passes for an easy 2. That's fine. Great defense, bro. You're bottled. You're just straight up bottled, bro. 19-15. Closed out a good one right there. We really stepped up our defense at the end of that. I did have a lot of turnovers, though. That's not great on the turnovers. Taco Fall was the MVP with 7 points, a block, an assist, a rebound, no turnovers, and he drilled his 3. Jokic, 3 turnovers and 1 for Ilgauskas. I was just throwing bad passes, but 7 for Taco, 6 for Jokic, 4 for Wemby, 2 for Miroshan, and Ilgauskas was just getting a little cardio in. Dude, and the shot he missed was a dunk. He had a freebie, and it bricked back iron. Am I a bad person for making this video? Like, am I a bad guy?
Come down and see me, you piece of shit.
Oh, wait a minute. Isaac 6'11", Jokic, Georgie, Sean Bradley. But then he's got Paolo Banchero. So Paolo Banchero's the guy we got to take advantage of here because the rest of his squad looks just like mine. All right, come here, Wemby. Oh, shit, he's doubling. I didn't even know he was doubling. Damn. Although, luckily, it is Taco Fall versus Jokic on the jump. I don't hate my odds here. Yeah. I'm going to go down to Taco, who's got Jokic and Banchero on him. Ooh, Jokic going to work. Kicks it out. That's a 4-pointer. Splash. I don't know, boys. This one's looking tough. Let's get this screen. Let's see if he tries to go over it. Oh, down to Taco. Perfect. Ah, what the fuck was that, Taco? What did you just do? Down to George, back to Taco. Look at the give and go. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Let's go up to George. He's got quite the mismatch down there. And of course, he elects to take that fucking shot. Which, by the way, they say is open. Like, it says open there, and they just guarantee you brick it. So frustrating. And Sean Bradley gets a layup in the middle of the court. Go down to Taco's the only one who can score right now. Don't let Sean Bradley cook. Out to Jokic. Oh, that was a great play by him. Pass out of a few, but he bricks it. Taco. Taco once again, the only man who can score. Dude, what is with these layups, though? Ah, shit. That's the bonus. No, I just gave him some freebies. Damn. Big mistake there. Although Taco Fall has his takeover now. We're just getting something going. I'm going to take the screen, go all the way with Jokic. Dude, it's another close game. I'm up on Sean Bradley with Taco. Great defense. Great board. We can tie this ball game up. Georgie all the way. Georgie all the way. Too simple. All right, let's see what he tries here. Oh, God, he's moving so fast. Sean Bradley is cooking me. Out to Wembanyama. Wembanyama to the right. Sean Bradley fucking owns me. Sean Bradley's my father. I'm going to ignore this. I'm going to kick to Wembanyama. No, that's a pump fake. This game doesn't understand a pump fake. Taco gets my offensive board, but loses the ball shortly after. Dude, what a bummer. Sean Bradley, no. Please, no. Sean Bradley owns me. I think I just double-teamed Sean Bradley, and he still got that bucket on me. Ooh. Oh, dribble handoff. Charge from Banchero. But we kind of gotta get a big shot here. Ilgauskas. I've never shot with him, but we green it. Wait just a minute. Wait a minute. I literally have never shot with that Ilgauskas. It is a miracle that I greened that. He'll probably hit both of these because it's an endgame release. And Sean Bradley also fucking owns me. Oh my God, he does not hit both. I repeat, he does not hit both. Ilgauskas powers in and misses! Oh no! Oh, I had a shot to go OT! I just played really bad that game. I kind of deserved that loss. 11 points, 3 boards, 3 blocks, and no turnovers for Sean Bradley. Bro. Taco was solid, still 4 for 8. 0 for 5 with Wembanyama. I promise you I will not win a game if I shoot 0 for 5 with the best player in this game. Pippen, Penny, Blake, Taco. Blake is in for a long night. I'll say that. Nobody's in for anything. Hey, it's the same guy. Will he quit twice? Or does he want to play? Second time's the charm. He will play it. I respect that. A lot of guys would have just quit twice. Good defense from Jokic. Not sure what Georgie's doing. I guess he just did play pretty good defense there. And a transition take foul. Will that get him to quit? Jokic will start out with a brick. I'm just going to cook Blake Griffin all game. I'm going to bring this screen, watch him go around it. Can I hit that? Stupid shot. No, Blake. All right, we're cooking with Wembanyama. Step back. It's crazy. It's only 9% covered. Oh, shit. Did I just get Blake Griffin another one? Ew! Oh, my God. You're kidding me. You know what, dude? This is just how I start games. I start them down 6-0 just to win. I'm going to hit him with that post fade. No, I don't need to. Big Georgie just got an offensive. I wasn't even like, how? That's the computer. Good job, Wemby. Wemby playing a little defense. Taco Fall gonna strap a little 3. I told you, boys, just how we start. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. All right? I think our best mismatch, though, is Jokic. Stay up. Good defense, George. All right, we got Jokic here. We got Taco for the midi. Bad shot. Ilguskis. The goo. The goo with the pump. Georgie with a pump. With the layup. Georgie, I don't know you were like that, bro. I didn't know you had that soft touch like that. He dishes up top. Puts up a midi. Won't go. Taco's got the board. Wemby's running. Cross. 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 Put it up. 4 points. Flush! It's 6-9 again, boys. What do I tell you, man? What do I tell you? Oh, the double? The cheeky double team. George on Scotty. He thinks he's got a mismatch. He's completely wrong. George was built for this! And he's gone! All right. What a beautiful, beautiful game to end it on. Hey, I love you, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This might be one of the last videos you see before Madden comes out. I might have like 2 more 2K videos, but that's it. Either way, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!